Hello guys, good day. This is Jay from Pageant Trend. I'm here with the newly crowned or hailed as the king of Mr. International Batangas 2024. I'm here with Marcus. Hi Marcus.
Hello po.
Ayan, so please greet your fans and supporters first.
Guys, gusto lang pasalamat sa lahat ng mga fans and supporters ko na sumuporta sa akin. Your support really mean much to me. Diba?
Okay, meron ka pa bang ibang gustong pasalamatan bukod sa mga fans and supporters mo?
Yung management ko po, yung management ng Ginoo and management ng MIPH Batangas and especially si God kasi I know that without him this wouldn't be possible.
Let's take a look about your performance dito sa final. So, alin dito yung pinaka nahirapan ka?
Sa Q&A portion po taga, to be honest, kasi which is yung question sa akin is very personal, di ba? So, ang dali niya lang sagutin actually, kaya medyo kabado ako sa stage and then tinawag na yung mga winners from first runner-up. Sabi ko na, maybe it's not my day, pero babawi tayo next time. And then, unexpected, it happens.
Did you expect ba na ikaw mananalo?
Ano, I didn't expect. Kasi grabe naman po as you can see, di ba? Grabe yung mga ibang candidates, sagang sobrang luto ang laban namin. Sobrang, lahat kami, we all deserve to win.
Sino sa tingin mo yung pinaka mahirap kalabanin among those top 8 na napasama?
For me, so ma-mention yung personal friend ko na si Joe Vincent Ilagan, because hindi lang siya nahawi kay Raslan, pero yung personality niya is napakaganda, and I will always believe that your attitude will always define your success.
Tell me, how did you prepare for this pageant?
Oh, I prepare for this pageant when mainly first going to the gym, sobrang bugbugan po ng katawan kasi in the short span of time na yung katawan mo na from nalaro kasi after pageant ko ng Ginoo po, tagang kain taga kung ano-ano in-enjoy ko, tapos biglang nasalang ng Mr. International Batangas, so kailangan maghapit. Tapos yun po, work, kailangan ko rin po mag-work at the same time. Opening ako sa morning as a cashier sa Capegenyo. Yeah, Capegenyo. And after my duty, nag-workout naman po ako. After that, opening again. Kaya sa cycle lang. Kaya God's grace talaga. Pag nandiyan si God, all things are possible.
Nice, ang galing naman. You really did a great job. And ayun, sino ba nagturo sa'yo sa pasarela?
Magturo po sa pasarela is yung manager namin sa Ginoo, si Miss EJ Shin, and also with the partnership of Irish Monte Carlo. Yes.
So for how long mo ba ito pinag-practicean?
Siguro, yung journey ko po dito sa Mr. International Batangas is, siguro na-practice namin pasarela namin 1 week lang. Hindi pa siya complete days, pero dahil po na-train kami ng maganda sa Ginoo, kaya na-showcase ko siya, na carry pa rin, kaya hindi siya nahihirapan.
And of course, now that you are Mr. International Batangas 2024, nag-sync na ba sa sarili mo na ikaw yung pinaka bagong representative ng Mr. International?
Grabe. To be honest po, medyo loading pa nga po kasi hindi ko ba na-expect kanina. Sabi ko kanina nang tinawag na yung fourth to first runner-up, sabi ko po parang okay, siguro God, it's not my time, di ba? Pero grabe, kaya medyo loading pa po, nasa process pa. Yes.
So what was running on your mind during the announcement of winners nung kayo-kayo na lang natitira? Hindi ka pa natatawag?
Talagang sabi ko po na okay lang kasi 'di ba, if God's will, it will be done. Pero kung hindi man po, okay lang kasi lahat naman po kami talaga deserving even yung mga hindi napasok top 8 out of all the 27 candidates, I guess.
Ayan, congratulations, and I'm looking forward sa national pageant. Or else I'll see you on the national pageant.
Yes, sure.
So what else, one last question na lang, what else yung gusto mong i-prepare para sa sarili mo sa upcoming national pageant?
Mostly the thing I want to prepare for myself is yung siguro more on yung mentally. Kasi alam naman natin na sometimes parang nanghina yung loob natin kasi ang dami natin mga pagsubok, sa journey natin may mga trials, but I always believe that God put this dream in my heart for a reason. Yun. Thank you.
Alright. Thank you so much once
Okay.
again.
Thank you so much.
Marcos, congratulations.
Guys, I just want to thank you, Pageant Trend. Thank you so much for supporting our journey. Even nung mga months and days pa before coronation, lagi kayong naka-update social media to help us. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome, Marcos. Have a nice day.
Okay, good night everyone.
Enjoy your journey.